Hey guys, Christian here, and this video was just me having fun dancing in the rain because I felt like it during a rainstorm. But I want to make it one of those hashtag things that are popular. So if you make a YouTube video of you dancing in the rain, and in the description or the title you put hashtag rain dance, then I will put the link of that video in the comment section of one of my videos. Then I will like that video and subscribe to your YouTube channel. But anyways, I hope you like the video and leave a like and subscribe if you really loved it. Peace out. Bye.